Taking beta alanine or a sports drink around your workouts. So some sports supplements can optimize performance and temporarily boost your HGH levels. Temporary boost, again, we're talking incremental functions here. So incrementally, it's going to be an assistance. Even though if you take a look at just that one thing, you're going to look and say, oh, it's so minimal, it really doesn't cause an effect. But again, we're looking at changing all these different things or many of these different things to get a higher baseline and then maintain it. Okay, and that's really the key. Taking your baseline, increasing it, and then maintaining it. Even if you get spikes, it's okay. You have a baseline, you've increased it, now your high intensity during workout, it's maybe spiked and then comes back down, but you don't want it to go back down to that previous baseline. Okay, that's the key. You want it to stay in that maintenance level, that higher maintenance level, even if you have the spikes. Okay, this is where you want it to kind of generate a stable level at. Sleep. It's long been known, and bodybuilders and professional athletes all know that sleep is when you release growth hormone. We discussed it a little bit earlier. But it is extremely advantageous for athletes to get enough sleep, recuperate, allow the body to fix and repair muscle tears and things that occur when you exercise. Different stress, even mental stress, mental and emotional actually. Your body can help repair those things during sleep. So sleep is extremely important. Most professional athletes, probably all professional athletes and most high-level non-professional athletes, amateurs, understand that concept. So it's something that you definitely want to take a look at. So the majority of HGH is released in pulses as you sleep. These pulses are based on the body's internal clock or your circadian rhythm. That's something that likely everybody has heard about, the circadian rhythm. And studies have shown that poor sleep can reduce the amount of HGH in your body, how much it produces. And in fact, getting an adequate amount of sleep is one of the best single strategies you can utilize to increase HGH. So if you do nothing else from the 11 things that I'm going to discuss here in this video, utilize that one. Increase your sleep or increase the quality of your sleep. Having alcohol prior to going to bed, eating before you go to bed, those types of things reduce the quality of your sleep. Even though some people sleep real well, after they have a lot of alcohol, they sleep late, the quality is not as good, okay? And this is simple physiological fact. It has nothing to do with my opinion, and your opinion really doesn't matter on it either. It's fact, okay? Scientific fact doesn't change based on opinion. So optimize your sleep. It's one of the easiest and obviously one of the best things you can do. Melatonin. It's another supplement that you can utilize that helps with regard to HGH production because of the sleep factor. If you can get a deeper sleep, you can do a better job, your body can do a better job in releasing growth hormone, and then all the other cascade of hormones that are released along with it to help fix, repair, recuperate the body. So melatonin is a very good supplement. You can also utilize it with some other supplements such as glutamine. Typically a 2-gram dose per day is what's recommended on that. Creatine, a 20-gram dose of creatine significantly increased HGH levels for 2 to 6 hours. So if there's any question with regard to whether creatine helps the body grow muscle, creatine is typically thought of as a volumizer, and it is. It helps the muscle, the mitochondria area of the muscle, maintain and retain water. Water is a carrier for nutrients, so that's a very good thing. In fact, growth hormone itself helps to your body to retain water. And again, that's a very good thing. It's a carrier of nutrients. It also helps protect the body and other functions as well. But that helps to do that. And because of that, creatine is extremely good. Okay? Ornithine. One study gave participants ornithine 30 minutes after exercise and found a greater peak in HGH levels. So again, another amino acid. We're going through these different things that can help incrementally, some a little bit more than others. L-DOPA. In patients with Parkinson's disease, 500 milligrams of L-DOPA increased HGH levels for up to 2 hours. If you're a Parkinson's patient, that would be something that I would think would be extremely of interest to you. But it's of interest to note that the body without Parkinson's also gets the same advantage or benefit, or possibly even more, because your body's operating at a higher level. And glycine. Studies have found that glycine can improve gym performance and provide short-term spikes in HGH. And again, these are all documented scientific facts, and I'll highlight some of those on the screen as we go along here. But these are different supplements that can help with regard to your HGH levels. Probably the number one out of those is the creatine. And creatine has many other benefits too with regards to helping increase size and volumizing the muscle and transporting nutrients into the muscle and those types of things. So creatine is something that I've utilized throughout the years as well, and I think many athletes utilize it. It's known to be a performance enhancer, a natural performance enhancer. Again, it's not drugs, and you're not going to get the effective steroids or human growth hormone shots or anything like that. But again, it's incremental, and in the scheme of natural supplementation, it's one of the top. Okay, so creatine is a great addition to your routine. So the bottom line, as with any key hormone such as testosterone, estrogen, having healthy hormones is important. Growth hormone is one of the key hormones. Okay, it's extremely important in your daily activities. It's extremely important to your mental, to your emotional, to your physical well-being. If you're 40 and over, it becomes more important. Your body simply isn't producing the type of growth hormone levels necessary in order to live a more active, more stress-free life. If you take a look, I remember hearing and reading about Sylvester Stallone taking lots of growth hormone. In fact, he got stopped at an airport with purportedly like 50 bottles of growth hormone. The whole idea there is there was a 60-some-year-old guy who looked like he was 40, okay, and in the kind of condition as if he was 20. So the growth hormone helped him recuperate and repair so that he could take an older body and bring it up to the level of a younger body that had the higher growth hormone, had the higher testosterone, had the higher natural relationship of different hormones to allow the body to recuperate and repair faster. And really that's what it's all about, is repair and recuperation. If you can increase that, then you can increase the ability to which the muscle can grow, it can get stronger, your skin can stay more elastic, all these different things. And that's what we're talking about. So again, the incremental value of increasing your HGH. Okay, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please go ahead and send us an email. We'll be glad to help you out with it. And we'll do some more in this series. Probably next, I'll go ahead and cover insulin, since insulin has a good relationship with human growth hormone, and you'll see how that can assist you as well. Okay, so Tom for Fit Station, appreciate you watching. If there's anything we can do for you, send us an email. Thanks.